Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about Ghunnah, the definition of Ghunnah, how to do it, and when to do it. We are going to talk in detail, inshallah. Let's start the video. As we know, first we are going to learn the definition of Ghunnah. So here is the definition of Ghunnah. When Noon and Meem have shad on them, then we do Ghunnah. When Noon and Meem have shad on them, then we do Ghunnah. Okay, so what is Noon having shad and Meem having shad? That is Noon and that is Meem. Okay, so I put shad on them. So now it's Noon and Meem having shad. So we do Ghunnah. If we see the example, the little example of Ghunnah, so here we go. Noon having shad. So as we know, whenever we see shad, the before letter is going to connect with the shad word. So how do we Ghunnah? How do we do Ghunnah? Inna, inna, amma. That I am pressing the word and the sound is coming from the nose, that is Ghunnah. In the sound is coming from the nose when I am joining with the Noon and Meem. Inna, inna, that is Ghunnah. Amma, amma, annama. How long we have to stretch Ghunnah? Minimum we have to stretch 3 seconds, 3 alif, and we can go up to 5 alif, means 5 seconds. Annama, annama. Okay, now we are going to look the real example of Quran Majid using Ghunnah. Okay, here we go. Surah Nas having a lot of Ghunnahs, so we are going to read it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul a'udhu bi Rabbin Nas. Bi Rabbin, that is Ghunnah. Malikin Nas. Ilahin Nas. Min sharril waswasil khannas. الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. Okay, now I'm going to recite Surah Nas in Hadar Tilawa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس. ملك إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. I hope you have learned about Ghunnah. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on the video. And inshallah on the next video I will come back with another rule. Up to then, Allah Hafiz.